Well, in my previous video, I said Filmora 15 has a lot of surprises. Well, today, we are going to talk about a good surprise. So this is one of Filmora's requested feature, the dual multi-timeline editing feature. So let's break it down for everyone to understand. In my simple terms, this is just an extension or an update of the common clip feature. When you want to add a sequence or another timeline in the current project that you are editing in that particular moment, you just select one of the file or maybe more and use the usual method, which is create a compound clip. Once you have a compound clip selected in this latest version of Filmora 15, as you can look right here, you can see that there is a different way of transitioning from one timeline to another, unlike in Filmora 14. So right now is so much easier and seamless. Now it's not just about switching easily. It's also about seeing dual timelines at the same time. You may be surprised with that, but let me show you how you do it. If you drag off any of the compound clip and move it above right here, just below the toolbar, you are going to see your timeline being divided into two, and that's dual timeline we are talking about. So this allows you actually to see both sides at the same time. And whatever's going to show up on the previous screen depends on where you have selected. Now you can also use this 3 dots option right here, and that will change the name of that particular compound clip or export that current particular clip or timeline, or even close it, all right? And that is going to give you total control in your timeline. Now you can again drag it to move it back. That is going to dissolve the division. All right, I think that's cool. This is one of the good surprises we have in Filmora 15. Now that's not all. When you use the drop-down menu in the import here, you're going to see this option, which is called the sub-projects, that allows you to import another project that you can actually work right here in this current project simultaneously. That sounds crazy, right? But it's really cool. So you can still do the seamless switching across different projects, as you can see right now. If you think this video is really helpful, leave a like and a comment. Until I meet you in the next one, peace.